Hey, what's up, people? Last week I launched a giveaway contest on my website in which 3 winners will be able to win 1 year license for WPForms Pro version. This giveaway contest is on for one more week. This will end just before midnight on February 17, 2021. I'm so excited to see that how many people will participate in this contest. If you still did not use your chances, please go ahead and enter yourself. You might be the winner. There's no catch, there's no gimmick, no purchase necessary. All you have to do is just visit my website, rightsolutions.ca/giveaway, and use one, or maybe there are so many bonus entry options for you to increase your chances of winning. I want to say thank you to all of those who visited my channel, who visited my website, and participated in this giveaway free contest. This video is just a friendly reminder to all my subscribers and visitors. If you still did not use your chances to enter in this contest, please go ahead and don't miss this chance. You could be the winner. And I will see you with next video soon. Stay home, stay safe.